The stainless steel tailgate letters that we have here will be an awesome choice for all 2018 and newer F-150 owners out there who are looking to add a little bit more detail and bling to the tailgate area on your truck. Now this kit is going to utilize quality stainless steel cut perfectly to fill the F-150 lettering on your tailgate, off for right around 30 bucks. The peel and stick install, according to the site, is going to get a very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter here and take no more than a few minutes to complete from start to finish. Now, the purpose of this particular product is pretty obvious, right? To fill in the F-150 lettering stamped into the factory tailgate to give things a little bit more style. Now, traditionally, there's a couple of ways to go about doing this. You have the vinyl method, which is going to be a little bit more affordable, of course, or you can look into something like this kit, which is really going to kick things up in regards to your construction. And what I mean by that is you're looking at a 100% stainless steel build here, guys, laser cut and then given that nice bright polish. So not only is this going to be extremely durable compared to, say, vinyl, for instance, you're not going to have to worry about them rusting or corroding on you over the years. Now, as far as your installation is concerned, well, what installation, right? It's a peel and stick job. My toddler can do it, so no drilling, no permanent modification needed. Instead, everything is going to install with the 3M tape already located and installed on the back of each piece. And again, to give you a better idea of how this is going to go down, here's that detailed walkthrough we promised you earlier.
The tools used for this install are an alcohol prep pad or rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth. First step of this install is going to be to make sure that the vehicle is clean and dry and the tailgate is free from any debris. I'm going to use an alcohol prep pad to prep the surface. You can just use a clean rag and some rubbing alcohol to do the same. And there's a big old scratch there, don't look at that. So now that the surface is clean and prepped, you can start by peeling back the corners of your 3M. I'm only going to peel the corners as I want to get these lined up perfectly on the vehicle before I peel them all the way off. Once I'm happy with my alignment, I can peel the rest of the 3M backing. Then I'll just apply some light pressure to the lettering to get it to stick. And now I can just repeat this entire process for the rest of the numbers. This one's going to be good. And that's going to wrap up this review and install of the stainless steel tailgate insert letters for your 18 and 19 F-150. Thanks for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.